horses out, we have Panidar. Pass to begin down on the inside. Crystal Sprite round in between horses. Just in time in port and Star Quality is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Crystal Sprite is running by trail in between horses. Raon, Panidar alongside third. Then comes Just in time in port and a long way back to Star Quality. Back to the leader Panidar this time by Varaneka. Down on the inside is Raon and in third Just in time. Crystal Sprite drags back in port and Star Quality. We have Panidar by Olaleng Just in time. Now moving up to take second. Raon drags back in third. And in fourth Crystal Sprite and Star Quality. We have Just in time takes the lead by Oraneka. Panidar once again down on the inside. Raon in third and followed now by Star Quality and Crystal Sprite. Panidar this time by Oraneka. Just in time is on the outside second. Trying to get closer in third is Raon. Then comes Star Quality and Crystal Sprite. As they come down at the last 150. Just in time, Panidar, Raon is down on the inside. We have Panidar, Raon moving up by the rail. It's now Raon by about 2 lengths. Panidar just in time, and finally it's Raon. Second, close just in time. Panidar, then comes Crystal Sprite and Star Quality.